Hello, today we're introducing a newly released, highly anticipated product, the NeoLIVE ME5, a 10.1-inch touchscreen video switcher. Now, let's get straight to the unboxing. Here's the carrying case of this product. It follows the M5 series design, making it easy to carry and very practical for those who frequently travel for events. This is our ME5 video switcher. Let's put the ME5 video switch aside and see what accessories are included. A certificate of conformity, a warranty card on the back, a power adapter, and a USB cable. Okay, next up is today's star product, the ME5 video switcher. As you can see, the all-metal body design gives it a premium feel and exquisite craftsmanship. The front features a 10.1-inch touchscreen, surrounded by various shortcut buttons, a T-bar sliders, and a 3-channel audio sliders. Let's continue looking at the interfaces on the back. As you can see, the ME5 has a rich array of interfaces. It features a DC power connector, an Ethernet port, an SD card slot, a USB output port, 2 USB ports. Here's the output section, 2 HDMI output, 1 SDI output. Next, the input interfaces include 4 4K HDMI input, 4 SDI input. Another major highlight of this upgrade is the addition of 2 XLR audio interfaces, 1 HDMI loop-out output, 4 3.5mm audio interface, allowing for connections to a wide range of audio devices. That's all for today's unboxing video. See you next time with another product. Bye bye.